All right, folks, so you're thinking about taking a trip from London to the beautiful island of Zanzibar? Let me walk you through every step of the journey and share some tips along the way. First things first, let's talk flights. From London, you'll be flying out of Heathrow or Gatwick. I recommend booking a flight with one stop, usually through a hub like Doha, Dubai, or Nairobi. Qatar Airways, Emirates, perfect. Airbnb and Booking.com have loads of options to fit any budget. When you're out exploring, don't miss Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site packed with rich history. Happy travels and enjoy every moment of your adventure. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe.